What is up, guys? It is Carter Short. Today I'm doing a Roblox gameplay. Just gotta kill these people real quick. GG, just killed the sheriff. Doing good. Yoink. About to win. Bruh. It's gonna be a close game. Let's see where he pops up. Nice, got my first win. Let's see if anyone's got anything good we want. So as of now, I still can't get any chromas, but it's all good. Let me see if anyone has anything else I want. Oh, she's got Elderwood Revolver. Let's see, this guy. It's Chroma Seer. Oh, nice. He's got a Chroma Seer. I'm interested for close, but bad. Alright. Yeah, as you can see, he's got his Chroma Seer right there. Oh, I'm the murderer again. No one's gonna suspect this. It's probably. Good thing I started recording. Good gameplay. Alright, so first, I'm gonna try to like be sneaky. So like only kill in the restroom. Bro, come on, I gotta get this dub. Oh, there he is. Oh, nice, I still didn't win. Bro, GG. There we go. Let's go. On the last second, too. Let's see this person wants. Nope, don't want a bat wing. That was a good, another win in a row. Okay, that was good. So far, we're on a good streak. 2 for 2. This guy's got the chroma seer. Pretty dope weapon. Let's see what's next. Chroma bone blade? No, just regular bone blade. Bro, if we can get murder a third time, that would be nice. No, innocent. I think I have candy. Give me a quick candy. Another dope knife. One of these people is a murderer. Maybe it's the AFK person. Whoever the murderer is probably gonna after me first. Trade anyone. I actually wanna like try to hide this round. Oh, where the heck could I hide? Like a really freaking good hiding spot. Hold on. Ooh, I heard people dying. Holy crap. Oh, whoa, what the heck? That was so weird. Alright, I'm gonna do one more round, and that'll be it for this video. I wanna try to upload another video, me playing another game. Pretty dope. Dope, dope. Alright, that's a shot. How many coins do I have? Oh, I can get the dab emote, but I kinda wanna get the dab emote. Gotta dab on them haters. Let's see. Ghost, X-ray, ninja, emotes, videos, hats, bra moment. It's fun. This guy's a murderer. Like, I was just going around waving the scythe, and there's like a bunch of people like right there. I know he just died right there on the doorway. Oh, looks like it's just him and another guy. Okay. I wonder where the gun is. Cause like, are they gonna meet up? Okay, no. It doesn't look like they're gonna meet up anytime soon, but ooh, I think they're about to meet up like right now. Oh, okay, so he's got the gun. He just gotta be careful. They're about to. Oh snap! Looks like the sheriff and the murderer are gonna duke it out. Oh, he got him! That was a lucky shot too. Nice. Okay. All right. Well, I'm gonna play one more round. Then I'll head out. The background's out. Everything's all good. It's Dan. Looks like this person's mate. Tis Dan. See what you got. Hi. Not much. Green Luger and stuff. Ooh, I'm the sheriff. Alright. Alright, this is gonna be fun. Hopefully I don't die. I feel like that guy's the murderer. Nuh-uh, you're a little too close, buddy. Or it could be that guy. That guy. She could be the murderer. Jesus, who could be the murderer? So many people. So many people could be the murderer. It's scary. That looks like somebody's stuck. Not really stuck, but like, who the frick is the murderer, bro? I just heard somebody die. I just heard somebody die. Nice! Got a dub for the last win. Shot him right then and there. Alright, well, that's pretty good. I'm gonna end the video here, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed. I was able to win 2 times as a murderer and win 1 time as a sheriff. Not bad for a short vid. Hope you guys enjoy, and I'll be uploading more soon. Please share this video. You guys have been doing so good. We hit 600 subs, and we got 100 subs in less than a month. Hopefully we can keep that up and do more stuff. Share the channel, support the channel. Giveaway winner, I'm going to leave it a little bit more, and then I'm going to announce it, and then we're going to hit it up with another giveaway. I might invest a little bit and buy some more godlies for you guys so I can be able to give them away. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I will see you guys later.